flexi shapes. We call these flexi shapes rather than standard shapes because they are very flexible, and some shapes you can modify to make something that doesn't resemble the original shape. So an example of this is the lug. So if we make a standard lug, again we follow the prompts at the top here, so 100 millimeters, so by 100 millimeters with a 20 millimeter hole and a 5 milli lead-in, straight lead-in. So there's our basic lug. We can put a shoulder on there, so I'll make that 20 mil. Always looks nice with the shoulder. So there's a shoulder lug. If we mess around with these numbers slightly, if we make C, the shoulder, to be 50 mil, we end up with a lug like that. But now we can make the width, if we make that say 10 mil, that gives us that arrangement, which doesn't resemble the original lug much. We can make it as a cutout, so we end up with a step on there. If we make C to be 20 again, along a cutout or that sort of arrangement, if we make C to be nothing, we end up with one of those. So that one shape forms quite a few peculiar ones. If it's a standard lug, let's go back to a standard lug, 100. So there's a standard lug. If we put a pipe diameter there of say 100 milli, and a pipe center of, just guessing now, 90. Let's see what happens. There we go. That then makes a lug that you can weld onto a pipe. So by jigging around with these values over here, we can make that arrangement. So that again is all from the same single lug.